Hey everybody, Joshua Lowetta, President of KBG Insurance Financial. Just wanted to make a quick video today on a question that we get asked quite a bit is, does car insurance follow the car or the driver? So a couple key points here. Car insurance, for example, as where you have an actual auto policy through Travelers Insurance, let's say. So it gives you coverage just as comprehensive, collision, liability limits, property damage, uninsured motorist coverage. And then you can also put on there, emergency roadside service, rental car reimbursements. So gives you quite a bit of coverage having an auto policy versus driver coverage, which is considered broad form. That's where you have your license insured. So say you work for a company where you're driving multiple vehicles, or you have quite a few vehicles and you're driving them constantly. A lot of people do get broad form. There are some coverages that are different from broad form to having an actual auto policy. Something I recommend you talk to your agent about or give us a call to learn more to see which policy works best for you. We always recommend an auto policy just because it does give you higher liability limits and does give you better coverage than just having broad form. So a couple of aspects there to car insurance where there are two different types, so to speak. Does car insurance cover other drivers who operate my vehicle? So if you give somebody permission to drive your vehicle, then they are covered. So say a family member or a friend, you give permission to drive, then they would be covered under your current auto policy. And so auto insurance goes with the vehicle, and vice versa. If you drive somebody else's vehicle and they give you permission, if they have auto insurance, then you're covered under their auto policy. So again, it does differ carrier to carrier. So it's great to talk to your agent and have that relationship where you can ask multiple questions and find out more about the coverage that you do have. So again, you give somebody permission to drive your vehicle, then they are covered. So some scenarios where certain drivers and activities may not be covered. One of those is paid car sharing. So if you're renting your car out and getting paid for it, any type of way that you are making money off your vehicle, then that is potentially not covered. That would be a different type commercial policy that you would need. So it's definitely good again to make sure your auto insurance policy covers activities that you're using it for. Excluded drivers, if you have anybody on your policy that's excluded, say you put a parent or a friend, since you're living with them, you exclude them on your policy and they do drive your vehicle, potentially if they're in an accident, a claim may not be paid out since they are excluded on the policy. So that's something to be aware of as well. Commercial activities, so if you have a business and you're using your personal vehicle for your business, that might not be covered on your current personal auto policy. So it's definitely good to make sure you have the correct auto policy. So I would always recommend, if you have a business, then getting a commercial auto or a business package policy, and non-hired, non-owned vehicle coverage is something that you can do on the commercial side, which is, again, if you have questions, feel free to give us a call and we'd love to help you out and teach you some more. So those are a couple aspects of, does car insurance go with the driver or the vehicle? Again, if you have any questions, give us a call at 509-242-3244 or visit us online at www.kbgagency.com. We'd love to help you out, and if you'd like to learn more, let us know. So have a good day. Thank you.